Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your channel must be monetized and live streaming enabled. Once that's done, link an active AdSense account so funds can route correctly. Next, open YouTube Studio and schedule or start a live stream. Make sure your encoder or webcam is configured and streaming at stable bitrate. While you preview, enable Super Chat in monetization settings and choose permitted chat settings so you control who can send paid messages. Once Super Chat is enabled, you must configure tiers and behavior so viewers know options during your stream. In monetization, set price points and corresponding highlight durations. This directly affects visibility and revenue, so choose sensible increments. Also pick which countries are eligible and whether members-only or sponsor-only chats apply. For smoother interaction, set up chat moderation rules and assign moderators. This reduces spam and keeps paid messages visible to both you and your audience. Go live and prompt viewers to use the Super Chat button. Explain how to pick an amount and why higher donations get pinned or colored. Monitor incoming messages and engage quickly because response drives more contributions. Once done, check revenue reports in YouTube Analytics to confirm payouts. If Super Chat doesn't appear, recheck that AdSense is linked, your channel's eligibility, and regional restrictions. Make sure your stream's privacy is public.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.